Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos.
Build your life, do it yourself.
Okay, so today I just wanted to show you something that I received in the mail from another YouTuber, Renee Cormalis Soaps. She is so sweet. She did a little giveaway and I won. So I'm just going to show you what's in here. I did kind of peek in here already. This beautiful box. It's so pretty. Nice and gold. I like the texture. This is like a textured box. Tissue paper. And she left me a sweet little card in here. Okay, so this one is Northern Lights soap. Oh, it smells really good. I can smell it through the wrapper. Said it's sustainable palm kernel flakes, olive and castor, aloe vera, kaolin clay, skin safe colorants, fragrance or essential oils. That's nice. Renee, let me know if you made these soaps or if these are donated from somebody. It doesn't have like a business on here. So this one's the Northern Lights. I feel like I saw that in one of her videos. I can't remember if she made that or someone else. So this one, unless this one has a name on it. Are they all Northern Lights? I think this smells... I feel like they smell different, so I don't think they're all Northern Lights. Yeah, they're different. Okay, so this one's olive oil, coconut, palm, rice bran, castor, shea butter, aloe vera, kaolin clay, natural colors, fragrance or essential oils. Soaps for love. So this one has her website, so maybe she made this one. Okay, and then this one, smell it. They all smell really nice. This one, sustainable palm kernel flakes, olive and castor, aloe vera, kaolin clay, skin safe colorants, fragrance or essential oils. Oh, now you can see. I should have showed you before. There's that. Oh, what is it? Oh, I don't want to mess them up. So it looks like there's like a Christmas tree on top or something. I want to open it, but I'm not going to use it right now. Oh, and there's the Northern Lights. This is the other one. Okay, so those are the soaps. Let's see what's all in here. So as you guys know, I have 2 kids. So Renee sent this in here for my kids. Look at all that. That's so cool. These little Halloween stickers. Oh, they can decorate the little pumpkin. That's so cute. Amazon gift card. Oh my goodness, Renee. I did peek in here, but I did not see that. These stickers. These little duckies for the kids. Little ducks. That's so cute. Thank you, Renee. Aw. What are these? Oh, erasers. Okay. Little acorn erasers. These are so cute. Lots of candies. They will like this. Twix and Snickers and Tootsie Pops. Some pencils, some sports. There you go. Oops. Thank you so much, Renee. So yeah, you should check out her channel. I'll put her link below. She makes really nice soaps, and she also donates a lot of soaps to charity, things like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.